Students, let's start the chemical properties of alkenes. Alkenes are the rich source of loosely held pi electrons, due to which it shows addition reaction in which electrophiles add to carbon-carbon double bonds. Let's discuss. See, we have taken the example of ethene and hydrogen is supplied in the presence of nickel. See, here one is sigma bond and second one is pi bond, as we all know, and this pi bond is loose bond. So this pi bonds breaks and there is a addition of hydrogen atom and give the formation of alkanes. Right, students? And this reaction is called as hydrogenation because we are supplying hydrogen. Now we are going to do the reaction halogenation, means supply of halogen atom. It may be chlorine, it may be bromine, it may be iodine, it may be fluorine. So again chlorine is added. See, reaction is called as halogenation reaction, in which pi bond between the alkene molecule breaks and chlorine atom get adjusted. Now the addition of HBr to the alkene molecule, you can take any alkene. Here I am taken the simplest alkene. So the molecule which is formed is one carbon atom get hydrogen and second carbon get bromine. So bromoethane is formed. See, this alkene is called as symmetrical. Why it is called as symmetrical? Because डबल बॉन्ड के साइड पोर्शंस में जो नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स है दे आर इक्वल इन नंबर. लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ अनसिमेट्रिकल alkene. See, double bond, here one alkyl group is attached but there is no alkyl group attached, so it is called as unsymmetrical alkene. Now we are going to add HBr. See students, the HBr is going to attach only the site where the unsaturation is present. So there is two chances of product formation like this, CHBr CH3. That means hydrogen is added to this carbon atom and bromine is added to this one. And second choice is CH3 CH2 CH2Br. At that condition, bromine is attached at the terminal side and hydrogen added to the non-terminal side. So here we have to apply Markovnikov rule. This rule is very important. Markovnikov rule. According to this rule, when HX molecule is going to add to the unsymmetrical alkene, negative part of adding molecule goes to that carbon atom which has least number of hydrogen atom. That means इस rule के accordingly bromine वहाँ add होगा जहाँ पर unsaturation में कम number of hydrogen atom present है. So this one is major and this one is minor. Now we are going to prove why it is major product. See students, let's discuss. See, this reaction is called as electrophilic addition reaction. That means first electrophile attacks this alkene molecule. See students, there is just chance of addition of electrophile. Electrophile means electron lover, to attach this carbon atom or to go this carbon atom. See, if it is a heterolytic fissions take place, two intermediates can be formed. Let's discuss. See, if this pi electron is shifted to that carbon atom and hydrogen get attached here, so condition is CH3 CH, it become positively charged, and as this carbon becomes negatively charged, it accept the proton and this intermediate is formed. And in second condition, if This pi electrons are shifted to that carbon atom. That means this carbon becomes positively charged and this carbon becomes negatively charged, and proton attached to negative side. Two conditions are formed after gaining this electrophile. As we already discussed, the stability of carbocation. Here the carbocation formed is secondary because the carbon which is positively charged is attached to two carbon atoms, and here the carbocation which is formed is primary. As you all know, which one is stable? Secondary carbocation is more stable. That means this is our stable product. Now the bromide get attached to this side and gives you final product. ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पर आपके पास इस मॉलिक्यूल में ब्रोमाइड आयन अटैच नहीं होगा. It can be attached here, but this product is minor and this product is major one. Because the carbocation which is formed is stable here, and this stability of carbocation helps to decide us which product is major and which one is minor. Right, students? So I think so here we come to know how we decide the major and minor product. Students, now please see here unsymmetrical alkene HBr in the presence of your benzoyl peroxide. The structure is called as benzoyl peroxide. Again, two products are formed. Addition of bromide ion to the unsaturated carbon atoms. Two products are formed, but the products are reversed. Here the terminal bromide ion which is attached to the terminal carbon is major one. It is against to the statement of Markovnikov rule. So here we have to apply anti-Markovnikov rule. It is also called as peroxide effect, also called as Kharash effect. So let's discuss. See students, here free radical mechanism take place. If we discuss the mechanism, because the mechanism is our syllabus mechanism. First of all, this benzyl peroxide C6H5COO. This is the structure of benzoyl peroxide. If the peroxide bond is there, it is a weak bond. Homolytic fission take place and free radicals are formed. Two free radicals, similar molecules are formed. C6H5COO free radical is formed. Again the homolytic fission take place. Two molecules are formed. Again homolytic fission take place, and this will give the formation U. Carbon dioxide. This breakage of bond is helpful to form carbon dioxide and two C6H5 free radicals. Like now in second step, this is called as phenyl radical. This phenyl radical C6H5 free radical reacts with HBr and responsible to do homolytic fission in the case of HBr. Here the homolytic fission take place and C6H6 molecule is formed along with bromide free radical, bromine free radical. This bromine free radical reacts with your organic molecule. Again, it has two choices. By doing the homolytic fission of this pi bond, bromide free radical can attach to terminal as well as non-terminal site. CH3CH, if it is attached to terminal site, this free radical is formed. If it is attached to non-terminal side, the terminal free radical is formed. Right? This type of compound is formed. See, again discuss the stability of free radical. Here the secondary free radical is formed when it is attached to the terminal side. When it is attached to the non-terminal side, non-terminal free radical, which is primary free radical, out of which one is stable? Secondary free radical is stable, then primary one, so it is a major. It helps to decide us which one is major and minor. In next step, because it is a stable product, so it can react with other molecule of HBr and give the formation of CH3, CH2, CH2Br in major amount. ऐसा नहीं है कि माइनर नहीं बनेगा, बट मेजर वन रिएक्शन प्रोसीड आगे स्टेबल इंटरमीडिएट से होगी, और स्टेबल इंटरमीडिएट कौन सा है? सेकेंडरी.